There could be a tornado with these storms. Right now, we don't have strong evidence of that, but we're getting close to having evidence of that. Clearly, go to a safe place. A lot of people are waking up now, and there's no need to panic. If you need to get the kids up, just tell them, hey, you know, we need to take about a 30-minute little, we're going to take an adventure in the bathroom or in the closet or in the hall where we're going to stretch out. You can sleep here, but just get them out of the bedroom and get them into a hall. So
possibility of a tornado on the ground, and it is definitely moving toward Oak Grove right now. So if you're in the Oak Grove area, and this one is of great concern right now, looks like that circulation is going to pass just slightly to the north of Concord. Oak Grove 325, basically on top of Oak Grove right now. Thank you very much, Rick. And getting some reports back in from Mickey Bell in Oak Grove. And he's saying they're pulling some folks out of storm shelters over there. Significant damage.
I'm a one-way motorway. I'm a road that drives away, follows you back home. I'm a street light shining. I'm a white light blinding bright, burning off and on. Yes, times like these you learn to live again. Yes, times like these you give and give again. Yes, times like these you learn to love again. Yes, times like these, time and time again. I'm a new day rising. I'm a brand new sky day. Stars upon tonight. I'm a little divided. Do I stay or run away and leave it all behind? Yes, times like these you learn to live again. Yes, times like these you give and give again. Yes, times like these you learn to love again.
It's easy to stand on a mountaintop or beach and be amazed at how God shows off with all that He has created. The beauty, creativity, and majesty. It's just as easy in times of tragedy, loss of life, home, and all that we have to ask, where is God? For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and hope. Then you will call upon me and come and pray to me, and I will hear you. God never blinked or turned away. He was there in the storm and is here now to show off His mercy and grace through those around you.
Times like these you learn to live again. Yes, times like these you give and give again. Yes, times like these you give and give again. It's times like these you learn to love again. It's times like these, time again.